We've already got our Cusimax indoor smokeless grill plugged in and powered on, and while we wait for it to heat up, I'll just show you the grill. It comes with a glass cover with a stainless steel handle in the middle, and inside is a single grill plate. Towards the right, we have a panel where you can power on and off the grill, set the fan, and control the temperature from 200 to 450 Fahrenheit. And there's also a temperature display. We've let the grill heat up and now I've moved to the other side so you can view the grill from another angle. Today we're going to grill a bunch of vegetables in our kitchen. We've got some roughly cut up cauliflower and some whole mini orange and yellow peppers. We'll also add some mushrooms onto the grill. You can see it can fit quite a lot on the single grill plate. Alright, so we seasoned our veggies and put the lid on, and while we wait for the veggies to grill, I can tell you there's absolutely no smoke coming out of the grill. And that's because the grill comes with a smoke extractor and a fan, which I don't even notice. Let's take a look at how the veggies are doing. We're going to turn the veggies over so we can let the other side grill. And while we are turning these veggies over, you can hear the sizzle, but you'll notice there's absolutely no smoke coming up from the grill. And take a look at the grill marks on those cauliflower. The veggies are looking delicious. To finish them off, we're going to brush on some olive oil and add a bit more seasoning. You could also use this grill to grill meats and seafood, which is awesome if you love barbecues in the winter. Where I'm from, we get snow, so using this smokeless grill indoors is our only option. Okay, so we've left the other side to cook for a few minutes so they're ready to be served and eaten. Just take a look at those grill marks. The color on those yellow peppers look absolutely perfect and they're going to taste amazing.